What's up, guys? I just wanted to show you a few pictures that I snapped from a video, from some video footage. Came up across my radar of some more solar anomalies. I've caught these same things. It's from the nanoparticulates in the air. And this one is quite interesting. I'll be doing another video explaining exactly what we're seeing there. This is from the Pacific Northwest, right here in the United States. And this is from Guatemala, from February the 4th, just last month, right around the same time that I captured this same solar halo here in Texas. And you can even see this guy's shadow shining onto the haze, and it's producing this halo. And this is actually an opposite halo. The sun is behind him. At least I think it is. It has to be. Look at that. What else can that be? Because you can see the shadow on the rocks right here. See the shadow on the rocks, and you can see how it extends out, and it's casting the shadow onto the haze. It's also producing this halo at the same place. It's a very strange anomaly, and that's like a 1, 2, 3. It's at least a triple halo. There's some more, a little clearer pics. Very interesting. I'm not sure what that was. This was taken in Minnesota. We're seeing, another large halo, and this is from the particulates in the air. The reason it's so big is because it's at the sunrise, and that's why there's the sundogs too, are so bright, because of the angle that it's being projected through the dome. That was the top of this halo, which was taken in Malaysia. Another one from Siberia. Sundogs on both sides at the sunrise, just like they should be, because that's where the inertial plane of the magnetism is, and that's why it's producing those spikes. And this is the record cold/snowfall in Hawaii, February the 12th, a couple weeks ago, and black snow falling from the sky in Siberia. That's black snow. There'll be a better picture of it here in a minute. It's kind of like black coated snow. You can see how it's piled up on that car, and it's been tested. It's not like coal ash or anything like that. February 15th, Siberia. Pretty crazy stuff. Pretty crazy stuff. Thousands of cuttlefish die. There's massive animal die-offs going on. Huge sinkholes. Extreme snowfall and cold front in North America. We got another one going on right now. Sinkhole in Chile after major floods. You can see how it's swallowing that car. See that? See this sinkhole? Swallowing the entire river in Indonesia. Look at that. It's going in right there. Right there where that blue piece of trash is pointing. You can see it's just swallowing the entire river, and it's not flowing anymore downhill. And they're disappearing all around the world. If you do your research, you will conclude the same thing. And it's on a massive scale. Huge, massive flood, super flood, sweeps the city, whole city of Tacna in Peru. This is a super tornado in Guatemala. It's, I don't know why it's black, but the footage, there's nothing on fire. Right in front of the hotel, a cross washes up on shore, and it's been in the water for a long time. It's got barnacles on it and all kinds of stuff. February 9th, unexpected blizzard kills over 1,800 dairy cows in Washington state. 1,800. He flies over with a helicopter and shows all of them. 600 dead sea turtles wash ashore in India. You know, it's sad. And here's footage of a volcano erupting on February the 13th at Popocatépetl. Sorry, volcano, major eruption, huge. Look at that. The whole it exploded the entire mountain. This is that volcano. Look how huge it is. And bam, it's on fire. Look at that. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. That was the initial explosion. Indonesian volcanoes are erupting in all the country. Indonesia is basically on fire. And plummeting insect numbers threaten global collapse of nature. That was February 11th, 2019. Says the rate of insect extinction is 8 times faster than that of, what is that? Mammals, birds, and reptiles. Wow. My goodness. Because if you look at the massive animal die-offs, this is 8 times worse. The bug die-off is 8 times worse. That's, yeah, catastrophic to say the least. Super catastrophic. You know, the Bible says sudden destruction shall come upon them. And yeah, these animals froze solid. Look at this in Canada. Look at this. That fox was frozen solid. Look at that. They were in a fight. The blood is on his, dripping onto the snow. I wonder if he's still alive, but just froze in a super state. I highly doubt it. This was a very weird noise. Romans 1:20 says, "For the invisible things of him from the creation of the world are clearly seen, being understood by the things that are made, even his eternal power and Godhead, so that they are without excuse." They are super inexcusable.